Hey 40 plusers, YouTubers, subscribers, greetings, salutations. There we go. Hi! If you're lost on the interwebs, tell me how you found me down below. Just curious. Really curious. Really want to know. So, as the title suggests, we are here to do the Choix unboxing. This is a sampling service where you pick what samples you get, versus like Birchbox where you pick one and that's it. So, I'm playing with my hair today. They were in a different type of packaging. This is now the new packaging with an editorial shot on it. Doesn't do anything for me. It's fine. It's just fine. And it probably saves them a lot in the long run because they put a foam cotton batting sheet in, folded over, and that's it. Everything just sat in there instead of the little footsie glue and all of that. So the five samples I got selected in my queue for this month is a mascara. This is the YSL Fossils or False Lash Effect mascara in Rich Brown. I don't think I'm going to do more mascara samples because I've had this before in black and liked it a lot. But this is very dry, futzy, just didn't work. They gave 2 disposable spoolies, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be sampling or queuing more mascara. The next is Lancome Trésor perfume, and this is really pretty smelling. It's less sweet, more citrusy than I typically wear, but still very light, nice smelling fragrance. You can see you get a great amount, and it's in a spritzer. Marc Jacobs nail polish in Le Charme. And I tried the Emerald from Chanel, really like that. I have the blue in my queue. I haven't tried a Marc Jacobs nail polish before, so I threw this in there. And it's beautiful peachy metallic. So I'll be doing that maybe this afternoon. And then 2 Kevyn Aucoin powders. The Celestial Light powder in Candlelight. This is a peachy highlight, very nice. And the Sculpting powder in Light. I have both on today. Like, quote unquote cut my cheekbones. I don't have cheekbones visible anyway. So from ear to my dimple, I did that, and a little bit around my widow's peak to kind of bring that back. So this is the Sculpting powder right there. It's a very light, cool tone contour powder. It's nice. And then the Candlelight Celestial Powder. It's a very beautiful, soft, peachy glow. Right there. Maybe it's overexposing. Under my finger. So you can see this, my skin tone, the sculpting powder, and then the highlight powder. That might help, because this right in there, that's just pale ass me. Okay, so those are the 5 things in my Choix queue for this month. And learned, don't bother sampling mascara, in my opinion. It was very dry, very difficult to use. Meh. There's the packaging. Loving the service. And on just a random side note, I had on my lips today, I had mentioned previously from some subscription video that this was a lip gloss wheel from Aucoin. It was called Rainbow Glitz, Glitter, Glam, something like that. And it had 6 compartments. It had the white with gold glitter in the middle. I finally got it all cleaned out. The glitter in these lip glosses was stubborn to get out of this container. I ended up running it through the dishwasher and then boiling it to get all the glitter to float out of the corners. But it is ready now for me to pressed eyeshadow glitters into it. So I'm going to do that in a DIY glitter pigmentation project. I thought about throwing the gloss away, and I only liked 2 of them on their own, and then I used the white one kind of as a highlight topper right on my Cupid's bow. But I decided, what the heck, let's see what happens if I mix them all. I mixed them all, and it is this beautiful, glittery, rosy mauve. With pigmentation. It's on my lips. Feels great. So what I do is I use this dark red e.l.f. liner, and I line my lips, overline them. So this is the dark red liner, and then this lip liner also has a brush on the other end, which I really appreciate. Where in the heck did that drop? I'm gonna have to get down. Boy, that is like, okay. So what I like to, I took all of the 6 glitters or glosses, with and without the glitters, mixed them together, and I came up with this shimmery, glittery, rosy tone. And not blaring or anything. So I take this e.l.f. dark red lip liner, and I overline my lips, and this liner has a blending brush on the end, so it's all in one. I take my pot of gloss, lifetime supply of mauve pink gloss, right? Take my blending brush, pick some up, A little goes a long way for me. And there. So you can see that's what it looks like. It's very pretty, very natural looking. And the glosses had a subtle vanilla fragrance. I added some strawberry food coloring flavoring, so now it smells like strawberry, and it's the original sweetness. It's a little sweet, not too much. So I keep this by my computer monitor before I go on any Skype meetings. I'm just like whoop, 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 and I'm ready to go. But all of that came out of this because I wanted this container to do a pressed rainbow glitter. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. Ciao for now.